be nice if we could go to someplace else to gain our levels, but every place is closed off to us. If this starts getting any more difficult, I might just look at a walkthrough and just be like, hey, where do I go to gain levels? I really don't want to do that, though. Especially whenever monsters outright resist everything. Okay, you know what? Power Cure, and I'm going to throw everything I can at him before I escape. Which isn't much. Oh, great. Time distortion. Yeah, if you feel bad about running away and doing all this to heal up, don't. This is probably the only way you're going to be able to win inside this place, inside this city, or inside this dungeon. I mean, Zanzibar, or the city of Sandcastle, no way in. Are we supposed to be able to deal with that? I don't know. Why are you asking me for? This place is just nuts. Just plain nuts. And I've lost track already of where I was going. Ah, imperative prophecy. His nights were filled with evil dreams. His days were spent in wicked schemes. You must destroy that wicked fiend before he controls all of Zine. Well, nothing I didn't know already. They see you. Run. Run. An illusion. Illusion. Where are you, Songbird? Probably inside of there. What in the world is that thing, anyways? See that? There's something right in the middle right there. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna save it, and then I'm going to cast Teleport. Please tell me that Teleport works. No, it doesn't. Does Etherealize work? No, it doesn't either. It might give us the ability to cast these spells, we're just going to take them away. Lots of illusions. Lots of illusions. This, yeah, I already searched there. Nothing. Nothing. Yeah. Heard it all before. Good. Now we can finally talk to Dimitri. Still want to search around here, though. But I'm going to try to stay away from those minotaurs if I can help it. I don't think those parrots do much of anything, but still. Illusions, illusions, illusions everywhere. Try heading up north. Basically, the only thing we're looking for now is birds that will increase our statistics, that kind of a thing. There we go. That's one of them. Because I'm really not sure what else we are supposed to do down here. And there's plenty of minotaurs. There's no shortage of them. No, sir. I'm gonna see if I can't take these out too. But honestly, otherwise, I think I'm just going to cut my losses and come back here whenever I'm higher leveled. Because right now, I could do with some leveling up. Yeah, let's get out of here. Cast new, time distortion. We can always come back here later. For right now, I want to escape. Place is just hellish, I tell you.
Gotta pass? Okay, go ahead.
We'll head to the temple, heal up, fix our armor, and I will stop the movie, and when we come back, we'll head off to Castle Clink.
May we help you?
Little wasteful in gold, but I don't care right now. And also, whenever we pause it, I'm going to look for a city pass, because I think that's the problem, is that we are supposed to go to the cities, and we are not doing that just yet.
See anything you like.
So, yeah, we haven't gotten anything new. It's just been killing minotaurs. Fix, 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 fix. Fix, 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 fix. Alright.
Come back soon.
And we'll also cast a few days of create food. Create food. 14 days. 14 days. 15 days. I guess you have to spend several days casting it in order to get anything out of it. Yep, not worth it in the gem cost. So, we'll save our game here, and I'll pause it real quick. When we come back, we will hand in the Songbird and find out just where to go next. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in a bit.